Take care of your little sister.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go.
Yes!
Oh. Please don't cook now. Oh.
What is it?
Mommy.
You can't even babysit. Clean your room now.
Huh?
Don't cry.
Hey!
Get out of here and play elsewhere.
Nobody noticed me. Itsy bitsy spider. Here we go.
Come on, just a minute.
Okay, go. Oh, what? Oh no. Oh.
Huh? Cappuccino, baby?
Oh no!
Let's go!
Oh my gosh!
Good baby.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
The boy who fell is in the hospital.
What was that?
Aha.
You okay? We were really worried.
I'm sorry.
Wow!
Oh no!
I want that watch.
I don't have enough now. Wait for me, okay?
Same as always, we're done.
Break up.
What?
Wow!
Big fan here. This party's for you.
Oh my!
Let's go!
Ta-dam!
Wow!
She's just on a monthly lease. Cappuccino.
Hey.
Huh?
Oh my gosh! Sorry, I messed up.
It's okay.
No, please no! Huh?
Do it!
Yep. Huh? Wait for me. I will be back soon.
Okay.
Let's go now! Yes, sir!
Tung 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 Sahur.
Oh no! Come on! Hey! What?
Udin din 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 dun.
What?
Oh no! Help! Help!
What?
Hey, wake up!
Oh. Huh? Wow. Huh? Oh. Uh-huh. Oh. Uh-huh.
Doctor.
No.
Uh-huh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Let me help you.
Oh. Oh.
Wow. Huh?
Oh.
You dropped your wallet.
Mm-hmm. Well, thanks.
Oh. Huh?
Hey. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
I said no.
Quirky. Huh? What?
What? Oh.
Let's go now.
Oh. What? Oh. Huh?
Oh. Phew.
Hey.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, Mommy! I did it, Daddy.
You're under arrest. No! Let's go!
Huh?
Oh! Wow!
What?
So handsome.
No!
Oh no. At the time of the incident, he was at the bus stop.
No.
Come on!
Sign here.
Huh?
I'm not guilty.
What?
Oh no! You're all wrong. Look.
Uncuff him now.
I have proof. This is the truth. Huh? Stop it right now!
Who's the culprit?
Yes!
Oh my god, what are you doing?
He made me do it.
Stop it!
Huh?
Hey! What?
Not me.
Hey! What happened?
Did Cappuccino cast a spell on her?
Come on!
Oh
Cappuccina, I'm so sorry.
What's going on?
no! Oh no!
I just want to sleep.
That feels good.
Good.
Huh? Good. Oh no! Huh? Uh-oh.
Revenge time begin.
What was that?
Wake up.
Oh no!
Get away. Look over there.
Oh no! Oh! Whoa!
Oh, what's this? What? Oh no! What's wrong with you? Huh? Don't worry. Okay. Please come home with me. Let's go! Get up and have some cake and milk. Oh! Wow! Great job! Oh. Let's go to sleep.
Today we will take our child out to play. Let's go in and see what's going on.
Let's go.
Leave here and stay away from our house.
Huh? Oh no! What? Huh? Oh no! Tung Tung! Thank you! Oh my gosh! Let's go home together!
I'm sorry.
Wow! Wow!
Oh no!
Wow!
Wow!
Hey!
Wow!
Oh my!
Oh, no!
What?
Aha!
Is it cappuccino?
No!
What?
Sorry.
Oh
Get lost! The cappuccino is mine!
Huh? What?
Bye-bye!
Bye!
What the? Wow! Oh, hello. Wow! Oh! Wow! Thank you. Incredible! What? Hey! Sir, yes, sir.
I'd like a lemonade!
Yes. Okay. Hello. Oh. Huh? What? Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh. Oh no! Owie! it is. Pick me.
Or pick honey.
It is your style.
Wow. What the?
Hey, you!
So we're breaking out tonight, huh, Big Brother?
Shut up.
Do it!
So what are you up tonight?
Tonight.
He's got a visitor coming tonight. Family, you know.
All right, you two back to work. Stop standing around chatting. Are you okay?
I'm sorry.
What? No way!
Hold these for me. I'll be right back.
Yes! Hush! Wake up!
Thief! Thief!
Be quiet.
Idiot, it's me.
Sorry, Big Brother. Wait, how come you're here?
Did you forget?
Aha!
Oh, we're breaking out tonight.
Okay.
Follow me.
What? Don't take a day on it!
Hey.
Oh my God! No!
Pinky, there's a jailbreak. Close the door.
Pinky.
Oh my gosh.
Orin, what's going on?
There's a jailbreak. Close all the doors.
Inmates 001 and 002 are at exit 7.
Hey, you!
Oh no.
Ratty, you'll pay for this.
No! Help me! Stop it now!
Surrender, tralalero.
Let's go.
Please! Oh.
Say hi to your new friends.
What?
Stop it!
I'm scared.
Don't cry.
Oh.
Hello? I can help.
All right.
Goodbye, mate.
I'm scared. Bitsy Spider.
Hey!
Oh.